Welcome back. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. Today we're looking at this beautiful house located in the San Lucas area of El Poblado in Medellin, Colombia. Houses are hard to find in Medellin because obviously there's less land and mostly you'll find apartment buildings. But this is a 500 square meter house, which is about 5,382 square feet. It's got 7 bathrooms. It's got 5 bedrooms. This is one of the half baths, the guest bathroom here on this first floor. There are 3 floors. We're gonna see all of them right now. This is the kitchen area. It's got the electric oven, or the electric stovetop, I should say. It's got the oven and dishwasher on the right side here and the fridge on the left. This is the laundry area. You could easily put the stackable washer dryer there, but that's a 2-in-1 unit there. This is the maid's quarter. So they have a live-in maid because they've got a growing family and she lives there. There's a full bathroom back there for her in her room. And here we have the dining area. It's got a beautiful chandelier there, and the marble makes it look a lot bigger. The white makes it look a lot bigger, although there is a lot of space. This is the living room area here. Looks very luxurious, very nice. This is a family that lives here, a Colombian family. They're outgrowing it, so they're gonna move somewhere else, maybe to a bigger place. I don't know if you need a bigger place. I don't know how many rooms you actually need, but this is a beautiful property. They did a full remodel recently. As you can see, they got the marble floors. They've got a home theater over there that we're gonna check out here in a minute. This is the office right here. Because they do own a business. They have their office here, their home office. This is the little balcony that overlooks the other houses in the, they call this an urbanización or a conjunto. This is the walk-in closet and the bathroom for this office space, which should be a bedroom or could be a bedroom, but they're using it as an office. We're gonna go back out and take a look at the next bedroom here, which is one of the kids' toy bedrooms. As you can see, looks like my house after my kid goes through all his toys. This is the in-home theater. It does have noise-canceling sliding doors, which is awesome. I think this is perfect for a family, for even if you don't have kids. This is awesome because you have guests over, etc. This is the other bedroom that has a view into the greenery and the valley over there on that side there, and a lot of space. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here. This is the walk-in closet slash bathroom with the shower there. One thing that the owner wanted me to mention is that the toilets are all smart. They're kind of like bidets, but they're smart toilets. This is the master bedroom here. This bedroom is huge. It's got its own little balcony there as well out there. The lighting, the contrast of the colors, the gray on the white looks beautiful. The wood grain on the outdoor furniture looks amazing. And as you can see in the back there, you can easily see the 500 square meters of the 5,000 plus square feet that this is on. This is the bathroom. It's got the double sink here. It's got the smart toilet. It's got the shower, and it's got this 4-person bathtub slash like jacuzzi. It's awesome. And it's got a skylight. I mean, you can't ask for more. There is a door that leads into the closet over here, but it was locked. And this is the walk-in closet. The door is there on the left. But yeah, that's a lot of space. Great 3-story house for anybody that wants to live in here, whether you are a family, even if you're a single person. Even though this is a lot of space, it doesn't seem ginormous where it's like, man, I get lost in my own home. It still feels like a home. It feels cozy. Okay, so we're going back down and we're gonna go take a look at the subfloor over here, which is kind of like the fun floor, I would say. This is where I'd probably spend a lot of time, other than the office, because obviously I work a lot. But as we get down here, on the left, we see the storage unit here, and another half bath over here with the smart toilet again. And we're gonna turn around, and this is kind of like a quasi outdoor area. It's got these big sliding glass doors. That's where their doghouse is. and this wicker furniture, outdoor furniture to just lounge and hang out. There's the doghouse, which is one of the coolest dog houses I've ever seen. They've got a jacuzzi here, which is awesome. And it feels like you're outdoors, but you're indoors at the same time. And they've got the Turkish bath right next to it. I mean, this is awesome. You can't ask for more. Actually, you can ask for more. How about a gym? There is a gym. Basically a full gym. You really wouldn't need a gym membership other than if you were going to take classes somewhere. But I mean, you could get great workout done there. And then you've got a little outdoor area. They've got the kids' trampoline out here. Coco is taking in the sun out here. And this is the house from the back here. It is a beautiful home. I could see myself living in it with my family, even when I was single. I mean, imagine having the parties in here. Now let's take a look on the map where it's located. Okay, so as we look in the map here, this is where this is located. I'll zoom in here. As you can see, it's a gated community. It is on a cul-de-sac, or a dead-end road, I should say. So there's no traffic. Noise is very, very low. Let's zoom out so that you can get context as to where in Medellin it's located. As you can see, it's South Medellin, on basically the border of Envigado and Medellin. This neighborhood is called San Lucas. It's a higher income neighborhood. People like the mayor of Medellin live in this area. One of the big questions is walkability. Can you get anywhere? And even though you are in the hills, it is walkable within the neighborhood. For example, walking over to the Body Tech, which is a gym right here, is definitely possible. Same with walking over to the grocery store, which is right here. You also have the San Lucas Plaza, which is right here. I would call it a glorified strip mall. It's basically like an outdoor mall kind of, but it's got a lot of great restaurants, shops, etc. So you could do everything you need to do to live your life within walking distance, but Uber is so cheap here that, for example, you could get a cab over to, for example, like the Provenza area where all the restaurants are, El Tesoro neighborhood, or the El Tesoro Mall, I should say, the Santa Fe Mall. You can walk down on weekends when they shut down, you know, on Sundays, the Ciclovia, which is 43A, and thousands of people and shops and little things going on this street over here. And you could get a cab, you know, to like the Viva Envigado Mall. You could be in the Buena Mesa where all the restaurants are, Envigado as well, just a short Uber ride away. So as far as location, it's an exclusive neighborhood. As far as safety, it's very safe. That being said, if you're interested in buying in Medellin, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, I'll add you on WhatsApp, and we'll get to work. We'll see you guys in the next video.